Hello, my dear friends, viewers and subscribers. Hope everyone is very fine. This is Mehak and today I come with a new video. The title of my video is that how you become more passionate for your goals. Honestly speaking, everyone in this world has some goals and the targets of their life. Some of the people achieve them in a very short span of time and some of the people can't able to achieve them. But if you have the passion and the dedication for achieving the dreams of your life, then it becomes very convenient for you to achieve them. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you become more passionate for achieving the goals and the targets of your life. The first tip is that set achievable goals in your life. Friends, to be very honest, some of the people set those goals in their life that are not achievable, that are unattainable for them. There might be several reasons, such as there is a financial problem, or there are some other reasons also due to which they can't achieve the goals of their life. But if you remember that that goal is achievable in your life and you have to achieve that goal, then you can surely achieve it. So friends, first tip is that whatever the goals you are setting, it should be attainable, because if it is not attainable, if it is not achievable, then you will become demotivated in your future life. Second tip is that write your goal on your notebook and also do some activities related to your goal. For example, if you want to become a chartered accountant, then read books related to accountancy, law and economics. That will be fruitful for you in becoming chartered accountant in the life. So whatever the dreams you have, just write down that dreams and also do some activities and some acts in your daily life that will be useful for them in achieving your goals more quickly in your life. So the third tip that I want to consider in this video is that set an imaginary picture of your dream. For example, if you want to become a chartered accountant, then set a picture that after becoming the chartered accountant, then how you will deal with the clients, how you will sit in your office, you have a personal office, and how you will interact with the other people, what will be the uniform you have. So all these factors you can consider in your mind, and you can set a picture of these factors in your mind so that you feel more motivated and encouraged to move towards the right direction in your life and to achieve your dreams in your respective lives. So friends, it is very important for you that whatever the dream you are setting, just create a picture in your mind that after achieving that goal, what will be the results you will get and how much the money you will get after achieving it, because monetary incentives also plays a very important role. And moreover, that after becoming doctor, scientist, researcher, chartered accountant, and your parents will feel more proud. Think about it. And the last tip that I want to give to all the people who are having a dream in their life is that be positive. Yes, positivity is the key to success. In every video, in most of the videos, I consider that you should be a positive person, because when you become a positive person, paths are open for you, paths will be open for you, and you will lead to a good direction, and you will become a successful person if you have a positive vibes in you. Because if you are a positive person, you will spread the positivity among others also, and you will get whatever you want to achieve in your life. So stay positive in your life if you want to achieve the goals of your life. So these are some tips and the tricks I want to give, that how you become more passionate for achieving your dreams in the life. Hopefully that you will like my video, share my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.